Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how we plant our corn seed in a container or grow bag. Here's a clip from the show. Alrighty, so what I have here is a corn called True Gold. It's a 70 to 80 day corn, which will fit into our frost-free window here. And what I would like to have is 3 corns coming up in each pot, and I want to plant all 6 pots because I need some pollination between them. All right, so what I want to do is I think I want to plant 6 corn seeds in here, hoping that we get 3 to germinate well. So we may have to thin some corn, but that way I don't lose any time. I can go ahead and I'm going to plant these about a ½ inch deep. 3 times the width of the seed is the general rule. And we're just going to put those all the way around. And then I'm going to water these. Now these are frost tender, so if a storm is going to come through, I do need to cover these with our frost protection system just to protect the corn. And I want to be sure that the soil is warm before I put the corn in. And because these are in black pots, they do get some heat onto the pot, so our soil is warm enough and we are ready to go. All right, so the corn seeds planted, I got 6 pots. That should give me enough pollination. I'm going to get these watered a little later this morning, and then I'll get this mulch with some grass clippings, and we should start seeing corn in 7 to 10 days, so pretty soon. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 10 Week 1. If you'd like to watch the whole show and follow the corn all season long, you can. The show is free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.